Now, your 21Alive First Alert forecast.
A winter storm is currently moving through the Midwest region. There's a winter storm warning for northern Iowa and winter weather advisories extending all the way into Chicago and central Illinois, but it doesn't quite make it to northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio. Those alerts do. That's because as this weather system moves to the east, it's moving into an area where we've got some drier air in place, and it is expected to weaken. So we will see some snow, but it's not going to be a whole lot. But this is just the start of some changes over the next 7 days that we want to give you the first alert about. We've got several weather systems to deal with over the next 7 days, so more snow accumulation is possible. However, there's some uncertainty as to how much snow we could see. Will it be rain and then rain-snow mix? Because we have some uncertainty in just how exactly these weather systems are going to move. Yes, generally speaking, they're going to move through the Great Lakes region, but shifts north and south could drastically change the forecast. So our snow tracker over the next 7 days show weather system number 1 moving through on Sunday. Get a little bit of a break. Weather system number 2 on Tuesday. Weather system number 3 on Wednesday. Wednesday's weather system starts as rain and then changes over to some rain-snow mix. At least that's what it's looking like right now. And then weather system number 4 comes in late Thursday into Friday. So we've got a busy 7 days ahead. Here's what First Alert Future Track shows through the rest of the weekend. By the time you're waking up in the morning at 5 a.m., snow showers are starting to move through Huntington County and Whitley County and on the doorstep of Allen County. This snow is expected to be fairly widespread, but fairly light through the morning hours. Future Track is showing a little bit of rain trying to mix in. I really don't think that's going to be the case, and if it is, it's not going to be a huge concern. Area south of Fort Wayne, really not expected to pick up that much snow anyway. It's really going to be Fort Wayne places to the northwest that sees the higher snow totals, just really not a lot. And then by the time we get to lunchtime, this weather system has moved out of the area. So it's quick moving, not bringing us a lot of snow. This area in dark blue includes Kosciuszko County, Whitley County, most of Allen County, DeKalb County, Noble, Steuben County. 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible through midday on Sunday. I want to emphasize, though, Fort Wayne, it's likely that you end up in the 1 to 2 range. The higher likelihood that we see 3 inches of snow would be in western Noble County, western Whitley County, into Kosciuszko County. So a lot of places in northeast Indiana, up to an inch is possible, maybe up to 2, with very isolated instances of 3 inches of snow. Let's talk temperatures now, because fairly moderate through the rest of the weekend until we get to the start of the work week. We're dipping down to 23 degrees for the coldest point overnight. Tomorrow afternoon, not too bad. High temperature of 31 degrees. Still, that's about 8 degrees colder than where we're supposed to be for this time of year. But then we have a cold start. Monday morning, the air temperature, the number in black, in the single digits, feels like temperatures as cold as 8, 9 below zero. So another shot of cold air moves in after the weather system on Sunday. Then we see temperatures start to climb back up. High of 21 on Monday, mid-30s for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we dip back down on Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, another shot of cold air moves in with a high only in the mid-teens.
All right, thank you so much.